we're back. Turn this down a little bit. Alrighty. So I gathered some parts here. I think this is going to be pretty cool. So let's just put this together. So I'm going to build the hood here. This is going to be really neat. Put this like that. This. Like this. I'm going to take these two. Put them under here. And I'm going to take this and this. So that's the top of the cab. Kind of cool looking. Alright, so I'm going to put this part here. And this part here. Like that. Okay. Now I'm going to take this one. These are going to go whoop, like this. They're actually going to sit on top. And this actually came with a couple of stickers. You can see I already put them on there. If you can look. Once I get this on there. Okay, come on. Don't do this to me. Get on there. Sometimes you have to use a little bit of force, and other times you just kind of have to finagle it in there. I'm going to have to finagle these in there because they're really hard on your fingers. Really nice edges we got here. They just tear into your fingers a little bit. So, let's see if I can, oh, I see what the problem is. They're both the same length. This. I'm going to put it down here and hopefully you can see what I'm doing, and I'm trying to get them started at both at the same time, or I'm going to have to cut one because I don't have time for this. I'm not going to waste a video trying to get this to work. Yeah, gonna have to cut it. I hate doing this, but you know what? If it's the only way to get it to work, then I will gladly sacrifice the Lego piece edge to get it to work. So, just gonna take a little bit of this edge off. I'm gonna take this. Put it there, and voila. Take these two orange things. That's why I keep a Leatherman around. And this is going to go like that towards the front. And this is going to sit just like that. And there you go. Alright, let's put some tires on. So I've got these tires, they just go on. This away a little bit from the, leave it there. All right, put the tires on the other side. Oh, and make sure that the spokes are actually up, because then, you know, and there's our cab rolling along, pretty cool. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start there's a platform for Sandman. Any of you who our Spider-Man fans know this is the character I'm talking about. So I'm going to build a stand for this guy. So I'm going to put the cab over here, him over here, and we're just going to put these together right quick. And then I'll finish it on the other side. So I'm going to put these two beige blocks together, and then on each side of this is going to be a platform. And it's going to have some rocks on it and some sand coming up. You know, Sandman always laid a trail. So that's what I'm building here. And I'm going to take... Excuse me. So I'm going to take this one. Oh, I don't have enough, but that's okay. Doesn't matter. Okay, now this one goes like that. This one goes like that. And this one is going to go like that. This is an extra one. And that's okay because I am done with this part. So I just need another one of those cheese slopes. So I'll go look for it and we'll put this to the side because I'm sure I'm going to need it at some point in this build. Yep, I'm going to need it on the other side. Okay, so I'm going to keep building this part and then, you know, we'll see you in the next video.